Welcome back, everyone. Previously, we met the input pair and learned how information is received. Now, let's look at how it is delivered to us. In this Tech Talk, we'll be meeting our output devices. Everyone, please put your hands together for the monitor.
Hello.
It's so great to have you here, Monitor. So, please tell us, what is your main purpose in the tech family?
I am the primary output device. Think of me as the computer's storyteller. While the keyboard is busy typing and mouse is busy scrolling, I'm the one who actually shows you what's happening. Whether it's a movie, an online game, or just an article.
You definitely play a vital role in making a computer work. What's something that we couldn't do if you weren't around?
If I'm not working, the computer is basically a blank box. You couldn't navigate through folders or watch your favorite creators. Not to forget, you're watching this on a screen right now.
That's true. We'd be staring at nothing without you. Thanks for making it. We really appreciate your time.
Thanks for inviting me. Good night, everyone. I'll be powering down for now.
Finally, let's meet our last guest of the night, the one and only Printer.
Hey everybody!
So glad you could make it. You've been around a long time. What is your main purpose in the tech world today?
I'm the ultimate output device. I take all the photos, the essays, the digital art, and I turn them into something you can actually hold in your hand. I'm the bridge from the screen to the real world.
That's a lot of responsibility. What's something that would be impossible to do without you?
Well, without me, you wouldn't be able to get hard copies, whether it's a concert ticket, a legal document, or something you need for a project. I'm the one who makes it permanent. If the power goes out, your screen goes dark, but the physical copy is still right there in your hands.
You really know how to make a lasting impression. Thanks for giving us that physical backup.
Don't mention it, just doing my job. Oh, wait, I'm out of paper.
Well then, have a good evening.
Ciao for now.
Apart from the monitor and printer, other output devices include speakers, projectors, and headphones. What an incredible lineup we had tonight! That wraps up our look at the essential external parts of a computer. We've met the keyboard, the mouse, the monitor, and the printer. That concludes today's edition of the Tech Talk. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned a little more about computers today. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.